Fa for moji ni pa okroma. Where dia? Supreme. That means the whole street wa drepuche obi anu di ginem. Abachi fo mu mu re he e kwotra lomi koye sa de ma wi o. Omu mu re no mkonya 30 cedi, 300 cedi no na kwotra lomi. Omo se ye bie sneaker brand. He end results. He de jobi. Emas. He nanti o dia to so. Na bi say wa drip the whole street. Oh, ready. Fuller. Baby, fuller. Oh, ready. Now the what the iPhone Apple nankasano. Ya kancha. Na mu kwanti abochi photo zane me dia mu huna na. Na mu shewe, na mu di namu, na bi ense wa drepe, na bi ense wonim nyansa, we di namu no. Yeni so the way we see it nanten. O frana womba, falinom as we had channel. Had your bono pa, I fire. Idiot. Ratting at me. Dio. Now, for 30 cedi, 50 cedi, over cotton, canvas vision, over Mintimi Mompo. Na balanga. Ready. Had a chama so Polo topono. So no diano. Ochine demo. Sakrantio. Sakramayo. Ready yami. Heroin so kwese. Adadis. O say yeko. Just when you gebi ela chano. And a tan busu say chaba. Say dio. Oh ready. Wakoto Jordan. Obi akote ejadan. Yes. Go there you. Uya mami. Adiban. Let's what in the moon. No take your mouth for Naso. Puma logo in you. You had on Zakoto. What is it? Tepeka or Puropa. Then you prosa. Naya Danko. Wait. Nation what in the moon. Hetamazo. Just not be anything. Or pass here white, I'll pass through white. Just what did baby? Here is did us. Say Judas you. Say deal. Abochi for pa mo koto sampa boya. Enti mo
just sit down. Tenase. Na fagana besiana. Uba ye yabwa say 76.1% of our GDP. Ye kacha Mahama say wa bon mekabi me nam kaye. Me say bra wa bon we ye unprecedented bon ye. Say Ghana ye kaye dia no 69.9% of our GDP. That was about 70% of our GDP. Ye kacha say wa bon Baba me where they bom 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 bom. Where they a bom 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 bom.
Abuja, what find chairman? Networks and me bre and ya better, but I ought the same no, ya be jumano. Say bia say planting said no more temper me network and person me ba live there because expose we there. We ya part 1 no. I bet if you jumano kweye wono ana kwa usro me kweye we ya part 1 no. Enti so mo person me ye we no mo boa. Se kono one network ni nyempo amekwa akra. Na makwa pebe bia network ewo na ma release sa expose we until no wa ba share video ni ma why share video ni ma me na yeni nkomo awia nwumre bia biara wo bia me da se nim se US de be mfa ne se awia mu an sa because Ghana abo 554 until US ne betimi abo be 1254 until no ana abo se elidi mu se 3 hours and 5 hours until na de ho no Waba no share video na ma share the video share share man am wo han nyina mama mu nyina happy Mother's Day yeah mama mu nyina happy Mother's Day Madam Munina, I say, Odoma Comanshira Munina, a man in Ibama Munina, happy Mother's Day. It's not easy to be a mother. What I say, it's not easy to be a mother. Mama mentioned my in a light in a damenido. Light in a damenido. Mamma mentioned me chichino. It's not easy to be a mother, and you know, to all mothers on my platform, to all mothers who loves Ofaya, who loves hell on earth, to all mothers, I love you all. I know how I see Mama. Thank you very much. I love you. Ginake, Mama, I love you. Obapa Echan, Mama, I love you. And Jemfua Fojo, Mama, I love you. How I see Comforter Kagani. The mommies are more on my platform. I can't mention the names, and I love you all. Some of family, some of my friends, I appreciate you all. I appreciate all your advice, your support. I appreciate you all. Auntie Abusia, Meda Munina say, a man I'm more on my platform, so I'm more supporting me. But the more catch him one say, Mama Munina, happy Mother's Day. Or do man come and come on Shiramu. Before the young party, and a young mumma. In Kawunim, I mean, to me and Makuta, Umfama and Diagro, and to me, my life, my baby, I see, many of Babianya Kasakasata. That is one thing I'm proud of myself. Sabe no Bayanya, Semayi, 101, and I can't talk about me bida. Even say me deep bim, now would for crana, now Merena Equa Eya, no Machaso. Many of Banya Kasakasa of my life, Muda, many of Bankonda, because Monsieur and Diaka who say, Emma. You don't know, you have no idea. And you know, a man I'm warm a platform is in a Medamunina say, or don't come. I push on share video no mammy. Yankofa we embra and fluke could change for na yen shira a ma or more or my immunity or more movie are singing. Yankofa we embrace here. And you may a bad page our ha. Share video no mammy see meba.
That's right. We are celebrating all mothers. The responsible mothers. Oh me. Oh yay. That's right. Ya damasi. Yamin shramo. Yamin shram baby baby. Jesus Christ.
So bema binti choba bio.
Sabema pa de se umuma.
Yana mi ropa.
Yana rema reho papa.
Nse bema dia se umuma.
Shedia mami for you come.
Nemse na unim ya uye bio.
To bring the best of us.
Nyami shamo.
And painting kwa pa o matie. Baby biara mami biawo.
Nyami shamo.
Nyami shao. Kwadwo ne from mami.
Nyami shama.
So ni mami so mami bia wonim no biara.
Shama, nyami shama.
Friend catcher say nyami shao.
Namba. Yeah.
Ja obatanye ndafomo.
Yeah. Oh.
And nyama me you compa sano matete.
Nyami shamo.
Jesus Christ. That's right. Nyami shiramo. Yama me mu nyami shiramo. Nyami mamu nkwa wodi wo mu. Ontum nkwa na mu. Oh my God. Gana ma nyami shiramo. Masa enye izo. Oja bro mu bread. Ya beti tim krebe ya fom. Ombe jale be pipa ya tuo.
Kante chi.
Kwadwo ne from mame. Kwabne from mame.
Refi baby ya ufi baya.
Hello mama.
Obaya now.
I love you.
Odabo so mi krunti.
Mama.
Se wusi umuma.
Nyami shirao. So ni mami so a. Pama mi bi kufra no ka kire se. Nyami shiramo. That's right. Aboso mi nkura konto nye izo.
woman sem ne men
emu awo
ko ani ni mo
emu ntasututie
sumi krumo am shishi
emu awofe
ya emema
emu bre
dansi e diaper
emu anajo sɔre
ne me sorry si
Jesus Christ
o ya no ha
mame fo ma ye bidodo
arawo
ma ye bidodo
arawo
si edidie ma ye achia
o ya mi o
ene ye beka sasa ma de achi
awo ya mami o
ye abodie mu nyina ka achiri
ya
ya mi shira ma de ma ye ne dos dodo
se ni mrazo na za waka no
na za waka no mpono
jina woni kwankwanta
ojina ewuo nkwanta so
akukudro be kra
akukodro bay
ana sise ya
and it is
kana me
that's right
mo ya bi
obi kwa wo so awoma
ya na arrow
and many knew all the risks
bebre se o maybe be kwa wo
ye domo ye mbosomi 9 months
na wa me
bosomi akontonye yize
my suma o my suma
God bless all mothers
ya kwa wasua ya maybe
the responsible mothers
you know I see you o my suma ya kwa
ye different e fiba mu
wasua ya maybe ona
omu jira echi se botamtim
ya kwa
omu dimaye
kaima ya kwa wasua
oh my God
ya maybe ona na wasi
mame fo ye nhia mankenye
ya kwa azamika
semenhia
kaima ya kwa wasua
nabi umbe oba asem
ya maybe ona na wasu
open hwan asem
o my suma
that's right
yesuma
yesuma mai
yesuma mai
mommy enko ekotodwan mompai mamai
o my suma
they deserve every praise
yesuma
oh my goodness
mai on you go
yami shiramo ya hwede mo ye pa ya didiemu ya dwariemu oh my God
se me
ema ye bidodo
pesi etwe yasi
so
wo
oba mpesi e beche wiase a
awiye mona go ye
ka awuye ma nkasa komuku ye
free wa ni watiti wo
mesi enne
ti wusi
from ma me ka chese ma
ti umma asewa
I love you
wo ba ma bi no tete
ma me da wase
ma bi o yana
ma do ye ne so many dodo
mi o ropa
mommy enwawa ma
se be ma di so
mommy entonto mai
umma ne
komo nkai won ke be bre papa
se na uni nya wiye
ma me fo
bio nyami sho
baby biara ma me bia wo teme nka yadamase
abuja nyame shira ma me fo nyina abatan ye enye bete mu intasutie kodatie ni se misana maso tene na me ko sira ma berewa misana maso tene na enye bete bet mame obenya botere ahwewa I don't know say we no reflect mo ni a mo ma menyi mfiri me komo me pese mo be nya sam ayibia abuja ya saba biom yanka no ntumda. We never say that until the bones are rotten, completely rotten. Have you shared a video? Watch a video no, and your tag will be never to channel BM. Finally, Captain Smart be in the smart TV. In Tabusia, smart TV be our social media and so follow. That is where the truth lies. Smart TV be our social media and so bombardier follow. Captain Smart TV no oba be kaja gumu ho whether they like it or yes one say face the nation demonstration no omo yes say be kwa group wo independence square say fa omo di military ne Ghana leaders omo you wicked than Satan usha upo hwa bonsam na usha Ghana leaders agane usha bonsam na udi mirika gidigidi na wo hwa bonsam na usia Ghana ni na ose we politician wo Ghana dane which wicked than every. And now no more with the fire from above. Eta Frankfurt abontenchira mo. Frankfurt for a demonstration. More with the Frankfurt for a demonstration. Our Germany. COVID-19 by affecting Ghana saying Germany ana. Are you telling me that COVID-19 affecting Ghana saying Germany ana? But people were demonstrating on the streets of Germany. Why don't you want to allow us to, speak to authority? Why are you preventing us from, having a peaceful demonstration? I mean, better to Amuninaka. It's no be a bimu. Video no Mississia. Kind of crunch remo. And baby in Amazon Cheramusisia or her. Video no. Rebecca Jagum Sisia. Video no Mississia. The video, the main video, Nakasabato. Could you took me phone bedroom Sisia? I think I have 2% remaining. One hospital, and under Mukran, what training I know at hospital. Yeah, hospital Kakraka. Yes, Yama, I bet if you mind, and I can no moon share. It's yeah. More progress now, Mutabuchena, Muchimina, Muna internet band free now, Tegana, and I can't organ at Musia, Jimina Mudi at no. Mujimino. Bloggers, I want to go Africa and what's not when your internet access free. And I must come and among Kenyans as some, and a Jimmy Sam Namudi, and I think I need him, dear Kumasi, I catch them, Musala Musia near Jimmy. Huh? What the money perform the hospital project. Okaman on the say that here. Trump said, I said to about the Banu Jamanaka. Is that how we build the nation? Is that how we build the nation? Huh? Perform. Money money pound Tom almost a twice as in my brofo. Are they? Huh? Are they? What kind of country is this? What kind of human being are we? What kind of leaders are you? A brofo print can't cost our moment citizens home back to Omono. Yet you go for mana. Leaders never print can't cost our bank account to Mubayama. Brand champion, shame on to you. Brand champion, shame on to you. I'm hell on Earth TV, hell on fire. Brand champion, shame on to you. Ben Hotel Kakrakawa pages one number 1 hotel in West Africa. Ben Hotel is you. We vote for you to lead us, bring good things to us. Madam Munasi, Mamuna Kwaba, Mahuse, Scrabby, Wonder, Ewaha, Mahuse, Ebenezer Okutuaha. Mahuse Priscilla Boni Ewaha, Anna Mahuse Van Gaston Simmons Ewaha, Anna Mahuse Michael Daddy Keo and so aha. Michael, greetings. Share the video for me. Priscilla Boni Waha, William Macrofin so aha, Anna Mahuse Apia Isaac and so aha, Anna Mahuse Fredo so aha. Fredo, greetings. Medase. Anna Mahuse Charles Sapon so aha. Mr. Charles, thank you very much. Medase. Ana mahuse Ebenezer Okutun so ha. Mahuse Ebo Binding so ha. Mahuse Cabwell so ha. Ana mahuse Nyako Kensford so ha. Ana mahuse Amy Chagan so ha. Ana mahuse Charles Sapon Director. Greetings, Daddy Medase, for your support. Oyibo Goat ha. Greetings. William Macrofin so ha. William, greetings. Thomas Aprekun so ha. Thomas, greetings. Who again? Mama Ekuadoma wa ha. And then Mamu say BA Godfred Kwabinan so ha. And Mamu say Oyibo Gold bi Thomas Apreku. Okay, all right. Abujafo, medamo amaje bra mo betie me nyina ase. E pa cho wa sa won share video na bo modia na share mame. Why ehia me pan because me pese message we ekwachiri etiako me da sese wa join me. So won share video na bo modia na share mame. Fix the country demonstration no. E di 20 years abeba so. Ene sa de te de mo fix the country no na bibia no obia enye din because mo na wo se mo fix the country no. Abusha Jumadia ebe koso na program a wo behwe ni. Nipa bi na tie echi ebo echi do ma etimi ekofa Jumadie ne de bae. Anti mencha ho kra no. Mama me mamu hu Jumaku a tie echi ema yekofa Jumadie we e de bae. Mu picture we da so ya. The Royal Crew Entertainment Entertainment LLC, Cincinnati, Ohio. Omada Roma ana yakofa dwumadi we de brem dwumadi a yebedi abetifi program a yakofa brem no the Royal Crew Royal Crew no Omada Roma ana oboy chidom ama etimi ko abetifi ekofa de na ekoso abetifi de brem anti ya papa Prince Charles ya beda wase ene support ade tie chi me ne obo ba ama friye also ya chi tie chi sofa bibi se na ekoso abetifi monko na monkofa emfamla na ewiase aman hu na panifo hu so muru afi a monkai wo mo na se ebo apayon so amoma wiase aman fo hu ne abetifi man fo so hu se bibi se na ekoso abetifi ampanifo agama na ka nwuram na minim se bia ye bibi ketua bi na mi koduru ho na mi hu se no ni patiri mo tene ampanifo tiri mo tene wo mo ya wudifo anti opani oso yase ana dwumaku eso yase ama etimi ko abetifi ko fa abetifi program ne de brem no aye the Royal Crew Entertainment ona chira kwan ewo Cincinnati Ohio United States ho na omobo omo hodwa dwumadi a omudie ne na bi na wo na amuhu no wo ye wedding bi ewo uptown ewo US ewo Canada ewo hefa ba bia business information funeral omaba be bo brass band ne ade wo ho amawo ebaba be bo ama kama sekete na opese wo egura outdooring church function omaba be ye ni nyina ama kama the Royal Crew omadwuma omudi na abrochire ho no bibi biara wo pese omo yema wa abrochire ho bia no omo number na ho no 513 410 8916 omo number no the Royal Crew omo number eno no se udi dwumadie bia wa abrochire say ye business say ye wedding say ye funeral ye say ye outdooring say ye church na ope brass band bi ana ope dwuma ko bi da show mo sa mo ma beti hu dwuma ma wa just contact the Royal Crew Entertainment LLC Cincinnati Ohio USA anti omo so dwuma di omo boy no omo ne tie chi boy chi dom ema yakofa abetifi program no edebre mo abuso yakodu abetifi anti mama mo hwe video no mama mo hwe intro no ba bia wo se eba mu ne ba ma be chekere ne mam ba bia ni kwan se eba mu ne be jama video na nkasa aka na asem anti na de wo ho no nti straight up ye nchekura abetifi fo mo share program no mo share program ye nchekura mo share mam mo share sisia mo share mam sisia
abusia mama akoba aba Helen TV so na se de bia ye no nenso ye da foforo e beda o twede mponse se enenso ode ache ye me no ka sei ya ba bedru kwawu abetifi na se de bia munim no ene dwumadi afa to ye ho so se enema ekoso o man we mu a enhyem kran na enkonkan no e be bie so ama mo hu de ekoso enti me mami adaroma inya report bi from hospital project bi a ekoso a aka nwuram na mpanifo se ka kumya gine kwakonum awase wankasa wote asem ya utu anamon enti Helen ya fa yen kuku ne nkaka atu anamon free santi achem kono ngaba be du kwawu abetifi e ma me su free enkran ton ani aba be hiem e wo ha ya ba be du afa ne be hu mpanifo na yakọ site ho amamako hu dumadi mpanifo se ontimi nko obi krom na onko he de opesa wo so ko hu mpanifo enti ya ba be du kro yi mu de ya twen se e be ko hu mpanifo me no ka sai ahemfe nim ne ginan awose ko hu mpanifo na yesere kwan afiri mpanifo na yakodi djuma o site o mamu eti ma me wo ha ide ma mate ma me no asem kakra ba ko mienu bi na ma me mo ko baba Helen TV so
yeah right
na abusanfo nimu but bebre na nim djuma dia wudie udi de say
ye friend oboba mafie
pa mo ni edin pa o
star fi mi policy ye nyina sa na meti
good
me pensemfo
good na ho wa se fa baby e manage fa baby so say ma reho senka e manage se eniama ekoso oman yi mu ye ma me mpanifo ana ma ye ma me paniti se wo se wo nka wano ntum na mo obesore na wakasa kire mpanifo se mpanifo no bebre ya wo ma wo betimi awo bebre
yes
nti watu ho asi wo se obeka no kra kire wo mo e ye manage wo sa abre no so de ye ma reho ne se ye wo oman yi mu nanka oman we bebia pepen so ye dru ene odomankoma ne ma ode amaye e wo se nka totoe papa akọ amanka ya ma me ba na o na ho mediem kra nka o enjoy life eni kwan se o na wo se ofato no wo se obebie ne ma so ma mpanifo ho ne ma werɛ ho no na mom ne nyina no de fra e kabrabo ho mame abetifi uni makakra
me patro ha na misi
aha na ufira nkasa na mom sisi ade nkan na wote good mame na den na kan ma wo hye dwumadi asese wo so wo best start baby ni amaso ampanifo hu de akoso
yo kachiri wo hwe me anka amemra kanka enche bia na nka mafiri wi ase na nso me dwin entiri ma ne ho Isa mi hwe ma ekoko so a ya nhwe ye ne amfane ma ntutu na kwa mu a bedu mi bi no
niema bese
ya be gye nsem kra ya ne hwea enyi efise me ba ha de bia me bebia me kokko hospital no because eyade a minimu se wo ha ebeboa ye
nyina
betu mpon ama obia ho ato no
yeah
efise ke hospital kase a MP NDC for no ebesisi ho efisi mo mufiri abane so se ekini MPP bae aka wurom
e onsam ka ma me won se fire na so na botere uja ma me obeka jagum sisi a ma me emi de ono so jakwa na wo se kokko e me de se wo kokodro sa last video a obeye na security men empesa obetwa video no na omo pesa omo attack no bet ma me gina e video obusia ahaya asase e na nduru jomadi na nkasa so e be hu panifo na yasere kwan na e free panifo nchen e be wura site na mo be hu de yapese e kire madam nyina ase e beto aso.
That was just an intro. Na me say ka say Helen TV so no aba no wo ha no wa share video na mame na hashtag no fake the country no so ama no afura mame what I say anti share the video for me share the video na me say abo amane say djuma ku eso ya sen adwuma na yedi no abusa enya bete o ubo no obi abe comment on Facebook and our fire is all making noise because of YouTube money. The reason why I'm creating YouTube channel no, there are a lot of traveling up and down in this set of adwuma mafato no also. I will need financial support. I can't always come to you and depend on you say support me. It in a way, semeti mafa kwan bi so amanya support the free and I need something from YouTuber to support the Juma na me na. That is why I created a YouTube channel called Hell on Earth TV. I'm not here for fantasy sake to just get money on YouTube and enjoy anyhow. No mom Juma me no ka say almost my location into but in general no, I will be traveling in a few weeks time you see me in Volta region. In few weeks time you will see me in Volta region. What I say until we need support. That is why until papa also ya sema etimi call we kwa uko fa program we buy no abusuani nipa ya dia osaye moma yenda nase na yenda nase so ya se ma etimi call kwa ekodi djuma die we buy the Royal Crew Entertainment LLC Cincinnati Ohio United States of America omo de so ya se djuma die omo die na wo no se wo ye business bi wa manone obetimi da show mo sa ombo business mo da wura ma wa abuchiri ho ama amanfo abuchiri wate wonka se wo ye wedding obetimi afro mo baba bo nsanku ne brass band wase omo ye enwum tuoko ni ade se wo ye funeral outdooring church obetimi a contact wo mo omo baba ye bibia ma kama ansa no ye be ko video no so no be pese me dem ko abetifi ho no mo hospital ankasa e wo ho omo number na ho no the Royal Crew omo number na ho no 513-410-8916 omo number na ho no just pick the number, contact them for every service you need. Mr. Now ansa na ye be ko omo hospital main project no ho no me yese no eti nipa dodo e wa betifi krom ha sei nipa bebrebe e wa betifi krom ha sei ehefa na omo yare a omo kwaji ayarehwe ehefa na omo kọ ayarehwe ehefa na omo kwaji ayarehwe enti me momo de me kọ honom e ma me kọ hwe baabi a omo ekwaji ayarehwe asisi a me no ka sei e ho na betifi man the whole abetifi ho no omo kwaji ayarehwe isi a me no ka sei enye ntro wo se me boa fa ka besin kọ ubehu dormitory na omo de clinic dormitory and omo dey clinic enti mo se me yanka Captain Samata Biani TV antino independence you can't speak truth under somebody but o me go abetifi hospital na mla sisi ya o hospital neni abetifi hospital neni jenna hospital abetifi kura abetifi kakra no o mo clinic o mo ekura nya hospital we clinic abetifi kuro no o mo clinic a o mo gia ya hwe wo ho enie eno ane si wona uhu no eno ane si wona uhu no the whole abetifi enye se bia omo obegun abi obebi na we support no the whole abetifi nim schools awodo ho omo training college ho omo nursing training ho omo schools ho no teacher training secondary schools ho ekura abetifi kakraka ni na hospital omo clinic ni omo clinic na wo hwe clinic no dormitory schools ben sa area hono omo dormitory ana omo dey yes health center we it's not up to clinic now we yare ne wo ko ha say are you safe? It is a MPB minister bi yare na so fra betifi a obekọ ha baby omo ko hospital ni omo clinic ni aha na wo yare a the whole betifi man de wose me boa no onfa kan kwa betifi sisi a aha na wo yare e de wo ba na wan kasa ha na ye behwe are you safe? What dey some say mo pen okre share the video for me. Share the video for me. Eba man penifo mu say nya bre wo man we mu fix the country. Hebe bia nipa hwe omo mo to abama mo no. Hebe bia omo ja yare hwe. A betifi clinic na hu no. A betifi clinic na hu Nicholas Anom opani wa absec. Me say secondary schools wo teacher training wo nursing train schools gu sa betifi honum ne kwa usuro honum schools gu sa hospital we kura na aban de o Presby hospital Presby for their Presbyterian Health Center uko broni kroma say no de nipa nkwadi agro broni nim say human life is valuable enti omo fa nipa nkwadi agro enti apomuden ayaresabia Oliver Graham or say they have a university too omo university so honum enti such a place such a town nipa nkwa hu hia hwe omo ja yare hwe enti male ward any female ward a man and man nyina dabo omo gu anhu me na me kam kira e na wo hwe no abetifi hospital clinic omo nipa ja yare hwe ho e na wani tu a wo hwe no Ghana for penifo momo yare a na mafa car na mafa plane na hwepam mo kwa amanane na makwaja yare hwe momo yare a na mafa plane hwepam na mo kwa amanane na makwaja yare hwe all because munim se monye hospital papa wo mu fie enti mo ko no mo bewu enti mo nko hono na woko broni ni krom akwaja yarehwe no wabisa wo ho se Boris Johnson yare a ye ne to play mu ekọ Switzerland ekọ USA ekọ China na kwa yare ni pe kan ko akire mu a na mo frefre akire mo ye course e wa akire ana akwawe okasa dodo ana akwawe okasa dodo ka siyasema kwa Captain Smart what you ho bia utana amafo baba behwe yakwa yanko journalism school kra no kurenti nipa tie yen no kurenti animdifo tie yen yanko journalism school bia o eti wo no nimdi ekuta wo ne pedigree na adwuma wa bo no bia u channel Habetifi hospital hebe bia the whole Habetifi population of over something thousand people no hwe omo hospital bia omo ja rehwe nie me twan chira no kwa na me ka chira no bia omo ja rehwe ne wo no na wo hwe no bia Habetifi kura Habetifi ni nyina eja rehwe nie na enu na ababa bi betena UTV ni ebisa ne se enti country we face the country no dwen ho sen a otewa aye na bodwe said abel wadi muto se ono de hwe ni we wase ya fix it bibia ni we wase I don't want to talk against Obanya and into them me fa na se kwato nchen man on social media ne be de lewit ono hebe ni pa jare he mo ama no ne no abrofo nkraman kura no omo yare a ha ne de omo ko sa kro we nyina no ni ama omo one ambulance one constituency one ambulance Ghana for penifo main citizens no omo pin efe no Brian Champon good efe no Brian Champon akohwe ni hotel bia wa pedagu ho a uyembe sew hebe bia ni krom fo eto abama ne nya post no hebe bia omo yare omo ba yare hwe yenim se corruption de wiase ba bia corruption e bi wo ho but wo wi ankofo no anase wo bo ma bro no ana wo fele bank account no ama krom of so ho ato mo na cover na 50-50 enti wo wi akora ye hu mo de ne no ase mo buka gum saa mo fa akofo no mo fa nipa ho enti Habetifi man Habetifi kro ni nyina Habetifi no wo abanane na ofra blochire na oba na ho dodo a e ya ha ne do beko aha ne yekohwe yare ofra Habetifi a aha ne yekohwe yare aha ne de woko o de me share video na la em se ye ba kwa on ye ba bi Ghana fo ani de koso o man ni mo enye nyina social media da roma ye ba manfo humada pa ka se ni page mi won we o mo clinic ko ne ko e no we o mo clinic ko no ba bia o mo ja rehwanie enti ba bia o mo ja rehwanie dia nsani enye kama in fact enye fine nti no mpanifo hu se e wo se esi hospital ma abetifi man e wo se esi hospital ma abetifi man na abetifi man for so apomudi hu ya abusua enye hospital ketwa enye hospital ketwa se ka hospital wait mi ba abetifi a e ka nurses for awie school abetifi kroni wo de yenko hospital no beba cha enye ma ye ba bia so a kire wo no wa support ye woni ma wa support ye da beba ameni bi nchire wo ha meba ameni bi nchire wo ha hwe yabetre ni mo hwe we mra enko enie na meba republic the hospital project a ekoso abetifi tika hospital we mutimi wie hospital we a antipani bi yare a obefa play akwa amanone so kwa kohwe ne ho yare. What kind of leaders are you? And you be saying na ama yentimi nkasa bra yennim watem no yitim watem a mo beka se yemu ade mo beka se nipa emu ade yantete yen enso na ntisa anya se yemu ade o apanifo wo ma wemu mutiri mu odren na se politics no ana motam ho a mu wan pipi na ndisi na motam ho a enti ma Ghana for be benefit afiri mu so a e wo se mo sa de ko tan mu anti hwekofo affordable houses a osigu Kumasi aka ho bese ne Kurofrom market wo be hu mo ho nche Kurofrom market mo be hu mo ho nche hospital project aka wuram masa anya hospital ketwa o se hospital we yekohu nana kura yekohu nana hospital we na security man for ne makwan se yenko enkotwa video no ya maame oboba ma free edi kan ko hono security man for amane kwan amana wuram security man for amane kwan amana wuram eti ebra ko ne ba ya me ko hono ene yense no ene moma yenko hu panifo ne yenko sere kwan nti nana yeko hu no abetifi hina nkasa woni abetifi otenkran nti yankoto nana nkasa nti yekosi nana ba akoso me moni din asem oka che me so mpanifo amaba ade we aka ho no mo yemu binom eye ya na yemu bi pese organize demonstration kase na mom yesi ahemfunya politics nti yenyi ye honim enke be hyekire ni aye demonstration kase se hospital we omomo mode na community mewie mayen hospital we timi wie a adwuma baba betifi man mu unemployment rate wa betifi so beti cleaners ebenya adwuma ye anese fo wie school tifie ebenya adwuma ye anese fo etifie eni adwuma ye awie nursing training enei to go to nursing training no enye better my brother after say wanya admission no o sa wo protocol tua wanya admission akọ interview ai wo bill say wo betia school fees say no o sa wo protocol tua wo say utua 2017 me call nursing training interview e wo after interview ni bibia no backup call by protocol 2000 Ghana cedis me ni bi mantimi akọ nursing training bi so wo kono that time kana mu ntua alawa o that time no mu ntua alawa bebo good ese alawa ne ba mu no unkura 4000 5000 untimi nya emu nwura da ayi se utua etifhwe the number of people akọ nursing training awie school egufie etika hospital project we timi wie ya hwe the number of people be form adwuma wo de mo ma we abrosa why o ka obi se wo ya ndisi ni obi se wo support ndisi se wo ye ni ya ye beka hwe de papa John Dramani Mahama I'm not an MDC person but enye ni bottom sika no de yes a project we John Dramani Mahama enye ni bottom sika ana enye na busu apani sika eye me no mienu ye tax a etua ye no ana omudidi sa adwuma we eti se enya betifi man na aka omunti no meka se mete kono omunti no memfa ho da bi eye Ghana adwuma okina bi mi kodi betifi na me ho kododo mi a ye de me kwa ha na se ejina nanso a menya yare hwe hospital no na aka nwura mu no hwe enya hospital ketwa o ebet ma fa ne anes fo nko abe almost be 1,000 kura betuma for mo say 500 kura betuma for mo enya hospital ketwa o ma jama na ka nwuram eti bisa wo say abetifi ampi no wo yare a okọ ayerehwe wo yefa wandu nkran a na afa plane ya koso no project a me ba be reveal organ ase no say channel na nyaw dia say menya adwuma me hye wase say utimi mfra obi say abrante no kasa do nti block no ana suspend no eti Captain Smart bio channel what be Smart TV munko support munko follow Smart TV munko support munko follow ada na mutsi mo den wo man we musa your hospital project e Ghana fosika e ya menu mi onu esika aka enu anu no aka senye me BNDC na beba o kina bi anase da bi e beba be wia eti wo ka chere me say there is nothing in this country to fix our one kasa wadwene nyadwuma obi obeka say there is nothing in this country to fix some ka say enya hospital we nko an unim hospital project ahodo a former president osisi bebre say be ya nurse fo because right now no nkwara ni bebre ko nursing obi agena as no wie kura okọ nursing obi business no wie okọ nursing obi hwanwani social home account no wie okọ nursing obi mass kwa no bibia no wie okọ nursing enti enkwara ni kwa na ekọ nursing training no and for that matter papa we hu say e wo say o musisi schools any hospitals enti hospital project aye koso akaka nkronkro bebrem manya call from Kumawu manya call from Kumawu say Kumawu so de aka ho saa manya call from Bekwai Asante Bekwai say Asante Bekwai de so aka ho saa manya call from Kumawu Asante Bekwai enkura aka de MI it say mutimi wie say hospitals we nyina wo de mamente say Obawuna MPB and vice president bi ana Benin be gina ho and you create 1 million jobs you create 1.8 million jobs na mo sa na mo data no se mo adwene nyadwumo se die minimum feed mu data minimum information your hospital project aka honom Ghana fosika mo ajibusia COVID-19 ba yi enka entimi moa mo amanane no mo kan kire me say ofa amanane fo de nyame na hwe o munti no o mo fa hospital nya hwe nyame na be hwasem God will type no Roberta Omari or say God will punish anybody who will speak against the country and it's true God will and your God will cry and an animal now 20 man ya busuma wo mama we mu ebe pre mo be kasa against the country ni nyina papa we see hospital projects any day schools bebre gugu areas ahodoa enka the moment as hospital o fra betifi no o kwa benia ewo o tra betifi kakra na o kwa benia ewo unsa nifa so sa eho na project we wo eho na sa project we wo enya dan ketwa o enya hospital ketwa aka muram besi na me no kasai aka muram mubai mo ajibosia muntimi bosia no mu $1 million sa hospital way enti $1 million enti complete somebody should tell me something oboba ma free mama you are welcome thank you obi kan tell me say $1 million enti complete hospital way obi kan tell me wait yechira we ye kromfo we nyanya ma yie mama me kwa me ba ma be ye yie e ma okwan na oba condemn to grabu baby abetifi for ejo mo ya rehwe sisi ase me yikire mo baby isi ame no kasai baby abetifi for ehwe ejo mo ya rehwe se me yikire mo baby teacher abetifi for omo clinic eye dormitory ana ye hwe nipa ho dormitory anese for yadwuma ho yesen omo nu 10 kra anese for yadwuma sa hospital na me yikire mo no clinic ketekete bi no eno kanya hospital clinic eno kwa clinic mpo health center bi no wa beti for me yikire mo sisi ano anese for yadwuma ho yesen omo nu 10 eti the moment ni pesu we want jobs adwuma ni o man mun create adwuma no mun wie sa hospital we say pe kim say e be for nipa nurse for nko an be 2000 and I said 1000 and I would 500 kura at least what should be China make a chono. E fa 500 de kura, what is subi? Munye o. Se mono moje mu data wo hifa o. Se info na efidi mu information o. Ube hu anu aba. Ya create 1.1 million jobs. Se ana mo ne mo yire ne mo ma na yesa adwuma no. Se ana mo ne mo mpranfo na yesa 1 million jobs no. Ana de bia nkola se su se adwuma ni o manim. Nti at the completion of this hospital, even nurses for egu abetifi ho. Ombenye adwuma ye. Nyame nsa nipa yare o. Nyame nsa nipa yare. Enti no di nimde ma nipa. Etu ko broni man so a. Wo mo fo mo. Ayare sa bia wa brochire. Ba bia nkraman kura gya yare hwe no. You dare not. Uhu atim say yes. Wo yare kura na ye do ben ho kura na ho to. Wo yare na ye do ben abrochire hospital kura na ho to. Na unya nya hwe doctor nya mbe wo no na ho to. Na wo to. Be Ghana no hospital no. I don't remember the last time I call hospital. Na say na mpeni 4 years of a check up. Na say na mpeni 4 years of a check up because they be up and down sa no. Check up. My plan say maybe one of these days me check up. Enya better. Me wi yo, me say iba kwa kire. Ye twa ko down ko ye twa ko deep. Ba me nyine nyina kire mo na mo hwe prekope. Me wi e ba me mo hu ni nyina. Sha video no ma me sisi a
You know, a lot of people wonder how Dubai became a very big, famous and rich city.
You see, if you're comparing with Nigeria, listen to this. Nigeria has oil before than Dubai. It's a history. They are more rich than us. They have agriculture, they have mining, they have everything, you name it, they have it. Am I right or wrong? When you have a true leadership, which we have nothing, but we have everything because we have the right leadership. That's the only thing you need, a right leader for your country, not corruption. That's what brings your country at the top. You don't need anything. We want water, we don't have agriculture, we don't have mining.
That's quite interesting.
And that's Sheikh Mohammed. Number one, he doesn't know number two, he needs only number one. He says, I don't know, there's no number two in my book. Only number one.
I hear he doesn't ride in a convoy. Is that true?
You buy concrete roads. On 1 kilometer of concrete road in this country. Muga said they get a boom my own. Shamrantian and Maba when in Nam Ghana. As why you're useless. That's why you're useless. Our brains. But with him, a bad, poor leadership. Everything under this sun is leadership. The rest are just effects. And you don't need to have a PhD before you can understand. So everything under the sun is leadership. You know understand I mean? And am I a basa? Shabisia dodo amabo. And I will call on Dr. Bawumia because you are the head of the economic management team according to the constitution of this country. And when Papa be frame, I didn't make us yes, na Mahama bon, na Bawumia bom. Na come in can say me what in crowd can catch you more. And you what are you telling me? A common den form. And you want us to keep quiet? Yes, but quit him better me car. Tibanya sika to aduane.
But that's it. So we try me man make buy. Yan so why? Hospital yan twa wi baby hu ye phase 1. Yan ko phase 2. Why? Hospital yan twa wi. Sisi a me no kasa yi. Baby abeti fi of 4 gya yare hwanie. Mami sanyi nkire obiem. Sisi a me no kasa yi. Baby abeti fi for egya yare hwe. Enie. Ha? Baby abetifi for gya yare hwanie sisi a me no kasa yi dormitory we no mo gya yare hwe dormitory we no mo gya yare hwe wo sisi a me no kasa yi present today faka akọ abetifi krom the whole nkoko government hospital ni ho hospital a won nkoko Roman hospital if Roman hospital Roman for dia nkoko hospital a won nkoko Roman hospital ana press before the nie where press before the Presby Health Center Presbyterian Health Center where press before the eti abandon ni hospital ho eti abetifi dia no any the first government hospital a enkokofo beba ho abetifi fo beko ho abenefo beko ho hwehwefo beko ho obomi obo obi abeko ho edi business ebeba kronim ebema investor bi eba kronim a onim say na pomudin de o save because ni hododo na ebenya ba ebi di nato onim say ni hododo na ebenya ba ebi di nato na say me businessman na say opese me ba kronim be investment and I say me ba kronim be establish business bi wo honum na me ti unemployment rate so na me be survey na me be hu say mo hospital ni na me yare ha na mo de me baba meba because the businessman no magimi and aka say abrofo magimi before say broni mbra be establish business no oba be check kuro no ahu say kuro we omo health system good omo road system good omo lighting system good mo nye sa fixing we say mo ntimi mbia adwuma ne kura mama be abetifi for agya rehwe ne guo no dormitory aho no mo gya rehwe ena wo hwe no male ni female ward nyina da bom aha me no ka say aha nurse for ye dwuma ha say ndru 10 nurse for ha say omu ndru 10 ye kwa nurse ni mienu pa na mehu ye kwa ho nurse for mienu pa na mehu ye nurse for mienu na mehu na ha etu ye so oxygen wa we ye so say oxygen e wa ha ye bi besi so we ye so say enti operation papa bi betimi akoso wa ha owu aga na fo wu no enye bibia o eye system no na ekuyen this country is not safe eti penimo na yare na eti Brian Champion shame on to you Brian Champion shame on to you Brian Champion shame on to you ya muse emubi ebe di won de wonim kranka wa support ya dada ka no kra kiro project bia mo ye bia ka nwuram bia me expose mu nyina very soon we don battle me kra me kwada na me gina ha no me kwada na me gina ha me next location me kwada na me gina ha no enti support why bebe ni pa ja yare enti bebia abetifi kro ni nyina abetifi fo amwo amano ne amohwe me mo kam humbom na mo ntiatua mpanifo so na mo mpa bibi nka kire wo mo na sa hospital we aka hoyi omutimi ye wie pe e the business beba kronim e mafo binya adwuma ye okronim security fo e fo yanfa security ko be security fo be bia 100 e wo sa hospital we nko ho me na me kam kire wo because hospital ne so me ba be phase 2 a kire wo me ba be phase 2 a kire wo and Nicholas I know munim ho ampa say this is located at Christian Quarters and onim ho pa so the ho na free onim ho we say obabi mo ja yare hwenie say me boy Nicholas I know mo beka ho no free ofra betifi bebe mo ja yare hwenie bebe me no ka say sia kwa betifi na ka say o yare ho dodo ha ne do beko aban etimi nya daje enwie the abandoned project schools markets unwie so they anama ba be TV so ni radio so ni kwasia big press conference ni kwasia sam wa ma journalist for wo man we mutimi ka no kore wo ka no kore sisi ani afra wo CEO we a journalist na wo CEO how adua free kwacho de ya be share amawo amafo ba be tiewu ka se ni page no MP ire maha minister ire maha ni hododo na ani afaka nya be fa no ko enkran enye sa so amanone you don't care about the people. It's like to fix the country. If I'm a fix the abandoned projects by the previous governors, it will reduce the unemployment rate. If you don't have sense, I'll tell you. Someone see a Kasayafa solution, bra. This is my one solution to you. These leaders in this country, don't be greedy alone. Mamunye greedy leaders. If I'm a mamunye greedy. Be patriotic. At least some of the majibu senedi. Monfa. Nemum yesramu. Sikana afei mojije no momfa be completely abandoned project aka nwuram a better unemployment rate so why na mo ye wicked demonstration na ye be no koren kran Independence Square di police car abetwa wo hia say tem police car abetwa wo hia say tem emu so hia je ginam yade ya mama for me demonstration yen ko phase 2 no mra why Yanko phase 2 no mra. Hospital project no, this is phase 2. Enie me twa kire wo. Na me ka wo se Dumaku eso ya se amayeko twa hospital project no. Abuja mon support to Helen et what I say. Because me no ka say your next location na yebeko enya bete pa cha pa. Enya bete, huh? Abiam danso o say you can build ultra modern hotels to be the biggest hotel in West Africa, but you can't build ultra modern hospital and you call yourself a leader. A leader my ass, useless leaders. What you comment about me come as yampa for say leaders. This is the phase 2 hospital hedan no ana anonom a na ni hwegu fom no hedan no. Urade Nyankopon. Hey! Makuma. Hedan no. A similar name from 2015 and overcoming. It is a we are on my not we are Ghana ni. Na woti baby na unya kakra di wo MPP from panifo bi na se unya kakra di wo MPP wa ban mu enti wo da pay euro so MPP wa ban mu wo da pay euro so NDC ba ban mu a ye do beto pay euro so unya adwuma kra na e betu aka because you know the number of people that are on payrolls that don't work. Do you know? And no crap Ghana kasin bibia uni mo auditor general no me ba ko ya madam fo auditor general for no auditors no ba ko ya madam fo me ka sema kire wo auditors no ba ko ya madam fo o say ya for so do me level amana retire we yes obey we yes obey djuma din we yes obey fifimu we yes oba be dabi ye be with this year ye din na nipa nya katua because omo ye campaign my party. Don't think I hate NPP. Don't think I hate NDC. No. I hate the system they've provided for Ghanaians. If you think I hate NPP, you are sick. If you think I hate NDC, you are sick. If you think I hate NPP, you are sick here. If you think I hate NDC, you are sick here. I don't hate them. I hate the system they've provided. Say me papa be a MP, me papa be a minister, me papa be a DC, me papa be a president and a vice president. Me china sa ka chense da. Eti ade anti nipa ana aya oni atete anti nipa kom wo oman we mu no. Enti eye. Enti nipa ni wo mu gide ni wo mu do a enti ko mu di tumi ni be ma wo. Ade ti na munya tumi a na mo tu afiri ba bia ti. Oh. No happy Mother's Day to Minister Biayere, a politician, European woman happy Mother's Day. Munina mo akromfo ana mama mu kunu mu wiaye. Muso munya badaye. No happy Mother's Day to any politician wife. You media woman we media no kuta we nchira wo da. The media won't show you this. That be okotwa mape. You be free from order from above. A CEO onkofo no wo reveal ni ama wo eyesa be kwati ayenti no kasa kire wo mo eti media ni nka we nkira wo da me twa kire wo never say that until the bones are rotten me se me bana security me need drone tia me need drone se me bana security man force ma me nwura mu a kama wo se masoma drone na ka ba be twa na ma record bo na ba out me me se ya se dwumadi asi de kakra be du ho eti mo ma support no emra why. We need that, those gadgets. We need them. Because our hospital project we all. And come with drone. And I come mana ko wiem. And I me cha ni view ni natural no hu a ka do se be guti. Enye hospital ketwa. 1 MPS Garcia can complete this project. One MPS Garcia. Enye 1 MPS Garcia mpo. Wo dia bosia na mo je bebrebe no. $2 million. Let me project we. Minimum dollar any rate any how convert. $2 million o convert ba Ghana cedis obi na say. Obi convert mame. Let me project we. Let me project we. media nin twa nkyerɛ wo da. You will never see this in the media. No be catch them say, there is nothing that have to be fixed in this country. Eti Ghana for eti Ghana no. Adwene wo mutim ni say nyame na hwe nipa, nyame na ese nipa yare. That is why asofo empu nipa guso. There are a lot of diseases yare bebira. Enya solid them no se de ko. Eye hospital. But me no wo ka say wo hospital ho kra enu papa kra ni hospital ho. Wonim de kwaso o ma wem. Fadi nyakopo. Me na pressure me wonim de kwaso o ma wem. Hospital na isi wonom na ya buy hospital no. Government hospital no. Okwa ni atwero adrama wo. Se ko pharmacy we no koto. Doctor no. Ana MP na se bia minister bia na pani bi no obie pharmacy. Na endo papa ni go pharmacy ho. Etu ko hospital ho no mo a. Ni aka kire wo se atwero aduro na ma from hospital. E ka me hu ye. E ka hospital de ka nya bedu hospital se twan a. O se ka duro bia utiminya. But uko hospital a ni Ghana ha no. Aduro hospital e pa e pala. Ani nsuo. E de besu sisi a. O ma were na ye o ya, e de nsuo besu sisi a. Apanta na ye o ya, e de nsuo besu sisi a. Enya uti agweka se eje wato wonso de ne totom be sa fiwoku. Unfro hospital wonko fi na yare. Kasa ma kire. Unfro hospital wonko fi na yare. Enti kwabena ne o ye doctor. Hospital no endo ni ho. Wa bie pharmacy okrum. Nti wo ba Ghana de on we are living legends so nipa ayale ne nam ho na ye ho na eden ye nipa yale ne nam system nim ye ho na eden wo ba na atwere drama me papa yale me eden ko hospital aduro no kwabena ne te ho ne bag mu na aduro nugu na doctor na tworo mo nko abrante we ho nkoto egu ni bag mu hospital ho no na to ama oba kroma Ode catch him said there is nothing in this country that has to be fixed. My politics am blind. My politics am frawani. Na di politics achi. Na catch say me nka no kore because ya bodam. Why? Na catch say my nkasa because ya bodam. And I also say kasa de say na me di ana say me de. But I deal with me share na makoma me share because me tell say a whole country like Ghana yet mean fixing this hospital MA. Hey, Abuja, one person to run away. Danlade Ibrahim was full of drug dealers in the system. Senior Abu was in fact all this guy is saying is truth about our hospitals. Openi, I am in the system. I am in the country. I know what I'm talking about. I felt it. Share program I don't earn a penny from YouTube. My YouTube subscribers in 2,000 subscribers in my YouTube subscribers in 2,000. In 2,000, how much is YouTube going to pay you? I don't earn anything from YouTube. And yet my followers willingly, willingly no, support offer the way to bundle, offer the way transportation, offer. And the program we crown and your man one day na mitimi ko twa you Royal Crew Entertainment or Penny Princess our US when the support to mitimi ko twa program we. And you say bia media ni je na yes program we o. Eye oyawo na me nko ano me ehye me mu enye ye me pesa wo so hu bi na ochena bi ye ka se ne me koso oman ni mu nya waka se mpa ne me koso oman ni mu nya ye ma me gina ke o watena US for so many years of your programs. Berebiana or doubt to obedu Ghana no or non can say yes. What these people are saying is true. What these people are saying is true. Mitimi kasa na miti. You see, I'm no kasa. My kasa close to 1 hour something. Miti ya miya. Miti. It's very sad. It's very sad. Abusia, let's work na sa kan ho bi. Where part 1 you do asuro ho no. ah you do a better fish rono ye to aso ko hwehwe anti no we are part 1 we dey say we are better hospital no kwa me the hwehwe project no so beba ye ko hwehwe ye to aso ko hwehwe market de ko si won so de no so beba why abusha madam nyina ase why metie me ya to de mo be fanso ha ne why you fanso ha ne ya beto aso why nti ndai papa openi princess ase ona boy a chidom ama yeti me kofa adwuma de we bae openi princess right odoma koma hira wo eno akoma pa wanya de etaye chi o adwuma de ayedi mu eda wase why the network ne hadwen nti no ye de besia mesa to aso ochina ye de hwehwe de ne beba why ye de hwehwe de ne beba openi da se papa abuja also person support you adwuma de na betima support why of your number ne da ho no also person support a ubetimi support adwumadi no 0554224092 ubetimi support adwumadi na massive pedam nyina ase why mfa na de no so a meti start yam ya why me da se